Hello guys, welcome back to our channel once more. My name is Chris, the name of the channel. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe and like. Click the notification bell as well so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Place your comments below as well. Tell us your views or your mind after you watch our videos, and also share so that others will benefit from our channel. So today we have this question, and the question reads: solve the equation 8 equals 2 raised to the power bracket open x plus 5 bracket close and 1 equals 3 raised to the power x, that's bracket open, minus y bracket close. So this is actually exponential equation. These are two exponential equations, this and then this, and we are required to solve them simultaneously. We are required to solve these exponential equations simultaneously, and in order to get the concept, guys, stay tuned and watch as we go down with the procedures. So we have this here. So how are we going to get started with the solution? As I told earlier, these are exponential equations. So we have to get rid of the basis first. We have to get rid of the basis first. And in order to get rid of the basis, we have to make sure that in each equation, the bases are equal. Make sure that in each equation the bases are equal. So we have this, let's pick them one after the other. So that will be let's look at the particular number. Let's pick 2 and look at the particular number that will have the base 2 and the results will be 8. We have 2 here as the base. So we want this particular 10 to also have its base to be 2. We want 8 to have its base to be 2. So 2 raised to the power what will give us 8? That is 3. 2 to the power 3 will give us 8. That's 2 to the power 3, which is, when we expand this, we have 2 times 2 times 2, and that will give us 8. So this will now become 2 raised to the power 3 equals 2 raised to the power bracket open x plus y bracket close. So this base and this base are now equal. So we have this base cancelling this base, leaving only the exponents. So and that will be 3 equals x plus y. That would be our equation 1. So we have equation 1. Now let's look at the second one. So that will be this particular equation. That's 1 equals 3 raised to the power bracket open x minus y bracket close. So we have 3 here. We have 1 here. 3 cannot be reduced to 1. 3 cannot be reduced to 1. But this one can also be made in such a way that its base is 3. So, what particular number do you think that when you raise to the power 0, you get 1? First of all, we learn that any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So, for example, a raised to the power 0 will give us 1. 10 to the power 0 will give us 1. 100 to the power 0 will give us 1. Any number at all to the power 0 will give us 1. So, this one here means that a certain number raised to the power 0 gave us this one here. And since we have 3 here, then we also introduce 3 to the power 0 here. So that will be 3 to the power 0 equals 3 to the power x, bracket open, x minus y, bracket close. So now 3 raised to the power 0 will give us 1. This base is equal and this base is equal. So this base here will cancel this base here. Are we getting it? Now leaving 0 equals x minus y. So that will be our equation 2. But we can write this better. We can write 0 equals x minus y better. And that will be, we put each variable at each side of the equal sign. We put each variable at each side of the equal sign. So that will be, when we bring this one over, we are going to get y equals x. When we eliminate negative y here, some will say we take it across as you may like. So if you are taking across, then this negative becomes positive. So we have y equals x, and that will be the equation 3. So now we know that y equals x. How are we going to find the value of y and then x? And to proceed, simply we can say that we put equation 3 into equation 1. We put equation 3 into equation 1. And equation 3 says that y equals x. Y equals x. So you come to equation 1 and then you put y into the equation 1. So let us say put equation 3 into equation 1. So this equation 3, this equation 1. So we are going to put equation 3 into equation 1, where y equals x. Y equals x. So it means that y is the same as x. So when you see y here, you put x there. Because it says y is equal to x. So when you see y in equation 1, you put x there. So when you come, that will be 3 equals x plus y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. So you substitute y here with x, that will be x, and when we come down, we have 3 equals 2x. So we have 3 equals 2x. But we are looking for x. And because we are looking for x, we make x the subject by dividing both the left hand side and the right hand side by the coefficients of x, and that will give us so the coefficient of x is 2, so we have divided both sides by 2, and 2 cancel 2 here. When we come down, we have 3 over 2 equals x. So now x equals 3 over 2. So x has been found. Let's move ahead to find the value of y. Let's move ahead to find the value of y. But guys, do we need to work again? No. And the reason is simple. Because when we come to equation 3 says that y equals x, which also means x equals y. That means that the value of x is also the value of y. So therefore, we say we put x into equation 3. We put x into equation 3, and that will be y equals 3 over 2. And that is that. As simple as that. So x is 3 over 2, y is 3 over 2. Are you convinced or not? If you are not convinced, you can actually prove it, or you can verify whether your answer is really correct or not. This is how we do that. So we have, let's pick equation 1 and see whether our answer is really correct or not. We know that in equation 1, 3 equals x plus y. X is 3 over 2 and y is also 3 over 2. Let's prove our solution, whether it's correct or it's wrong. So we substitute the values of x and y into equation 1. So we have here 2. So substitute x and y into equation 1. So that will be 3 equals, the x values are, x value is 3 over 2 and y value is also 3 over 2. So when we come, what is the LCM? The LCM is 2. So we multiply 2 by both sides. That will give us 2, 2, and 2. But we are multiplying the LCM by each term in the equation, or we are multiplying by each term. So that will be this 2 cancel 2 and 3. 2 here will cancel 2 here. 2 here will cancel 2 here. So we have 3 times 2, that will be 6. So we have 6 equals, here we have only 3 left here and 2 left here. So let's add them. 3 plus 3, and that will give us 6. That is that. So guys, we can see that what is at the left hand side is equals what is at the right hand side. And that is a proof that our solution is correct. So if you enjoyed, subscribe, like, share, click the notification bell, and so that others will also get the opportunity to benefit from our videos. Until we meet again, stay blessed.